making a frosting. So guys, it is. So I'm teaching them how to make a frosty. It is November 2nd, 22nd. So I know November never gets tornadoes, but can never be too prepared. So I'm going to show you So guys, this tip can work on an apartment or actual house. I live in an apartment. The first apartment trick, or the trick that my parents left, is first of all, either go to the washing room, or if you can't get there in time, go to your pantry or go to the bathroom. And you go in my room. I have this bag. I have my stuffed animals. I love stuffed animals. This bag is full of some stuff, full of tornadoes and stuff. Has like pillows, a few pairs of clothes, some blankets, some pajamas, a lot of stuff. Because since I live in an apartment, just full building, full, like, how do I say this? What's losing to say, but it's 4 feet tall, I guess. So, we live on the top one, so we have to rush down to my friends. I have stuff ready. Well, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this tip.